So here naman, actually marami tayong design platform na pwede nating gamitin. Pero for today, i-share ko sa inyo yung isa sa mga ginagamit ko in designing my ebook. So this platform is called Flip HTML5. So itong platform na to, learners, is a digital publishing platform wherein here, pwede nating i-convert yung mga PDF natin into an interactive flipbook. So ang ibig sabihin niyan, dito instead na plain PDF lang yung mga ebooks natin, pwede niyang ma-convert yan into a digital magazine or book where readers can flip the pages. So, di ba, by doing this, mas magmumukha yung digital magazine or real book na pwede nga pong i-flip nung makakabili ng mga digital ebooks natin. So, di ba, yung ebook natin, mas mukha na yung professional tignan and super engaging. So, para naman magawa natin yan, balik tayo dito sa kanilang dashboard. And here, select lang natin itong upload your PDF file. So, here, ayan, pwede natin i-attach dito yung PDF file ng ebook natin. And then after that, ayan, hintayin lang natin matapos yung pagko-convert. And then ito, after a few seconds, created na nga po yung flipbook natin. So dito naman, learners, ayan, pwede rin tayong maglagay ng book info such as title and description. Aside from that, ayan, pwede rin natin i-customize yan. Pwede natin lagyan ng branding. Pwede natin i-share online. And of course, pwede rin natin yung i-monetize using Google Ads or sell it online. And ayan, learners, alam nyo ba maganda yan, especially kung yung ebook ninyo includes tutorial. So here naman yan, kapag natapos na tayo, pwede na nga po natin i-share yung flipbook link natin online. Aside from that, pwede rin nating i-embed yan sa mga website or landing page natin.